All right, folks, I'm in my garage. As you can see, I'm still organizing it. Working on a lot of e-bikes here, kind of a little e-bike shop. And this is the final installation video of the AOOCCI, the CarPlay device. As you see, it's right here with the light shield here. So this is an e-bike. This is a BIGNIU BGX 2000 watt chopper e-bike, one of the best e-bikes I've ever gotten. And when I first approached AOOCCI about this and asked about it, it's basically designed for a motorcycle. And you know, e-bikes, they have batteries with different volts, and you need to get the exact specs to this and maybe do a step down transformer. But I was determined to put this on my e-bike, and this is the second e-bike I've done this with. So what I did was, I have these wonderful saddlebags. I'm still going to neaten this up, but I decided to use a 12 volt source, 12 volt battery in that saddlebag. And what it allowed me to do was run it up to the CarPlay device, install a switch right here. And what I'm actually going to show you now, I'm going to turn on the bike first. So you see the bike on. Okay, let the bike start up. Okay. Now, here's the device. There's the switch. I'm going to hit the switch. And there you go. I don't know if my iPhone is near enough to give you the actual CarPlay, but everything works. Everything comes on. Tire pressure sensor. Completely works. Let me back out a bit. Forgive the condition of my shop, but like I said, I'm working on it. Here you go. So you see the whole handlebar. Yeah, my phone was close enough. It connected to the Apple CarPlay. I know that might be difficult to see on video, but you can see the CarPlay screen to know that I'm telling you it is what it is. Let me go on an angle. It makes it seem better. And so I adapted this to my bike. And just to show you it works, I've been out on the bike. I've used the GPS. Everything works flawlessly, including, let me go down here, see if we can get a glimpse of it. There you go. The tire pressure monitor sensors on the bike, which of course I can, just remember this, home, panel. Okay, if you look at the panel, you're seeing 26 PSI and 27 PSI. So it all works, folks. The AOOCCI, this CarPlay device is installed on my BIGNIU BGX chopper.